Finally. Some peace and quiet. This research won't complete itself. Let's see here.
Hey, Ren!
Ah! Oh, damn it, Cecily! Don't startle me like that! Keep it down. This is a library.
Sorry. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you what I found. I was doing some more research on the Starfell Chalice, and...
This again? I've told you 100 times, the Starfell Chalice is just a legend. It doesn't actually exist.
And I'm telling you that there's evidence that an historical artifact matching the description of the Starfell Chalice was used in divination ceremonies by the Alacretian people. That means it could still be out there, waiting to be found.
Cecily.
Can you imagine the kinds of research opportunities a discovery of that magnitude would create? I mean, if we found the genuine Starfell Chalice, we'd be famous.
Shh!
Right, sorry. But think about it, would you?
Okay, then. What have you found this time?
Oh, I knew you'd be interested. Take a look at this.
An ancient tome?
Oh, not just any ancient tome. This book contains excerpts from the journal of a traveling scholar who chronicled a first-hand account of encountering the chalice. The descriptions are amazing.
Oh, and you can guarantee the veracity of this account?
Well, that's what I need your help for, to verify the, veracity. Here, just listen. I came upon the place as though in a trance. I know not still what force possessed me and led me there, and afterwards back again, with memory of neither the arrival nor departure. Yet of the place and what it held,
What? What's wrong?
I shouldn't have flipped the pages so fast. This book must be dusty. I think I'm gonna sneeze.
Oh, bless you?
Oh, wow, it really tickles.
Oh, keep it down!
Sorry, I didn't mean to. I'm sorry.
Oh my god, you're gonna get us in trouble.
I can't help it.
Can't you just hold it back or something?
I tried, but it's hard to control it.
Try harder!
Okay. I'll just keep reading to take my mind off it, yeah. Okay, here goes. Yet of the place and what it held, I see it still as clearly as though it were before me now. A cavern of near perfect roundness, the stone floor carven in the shape of a great spiral. Sorry. With cautious steps, I approached the center, and there, on a plinth of the whitest marble, stood the chalice. I can't. Oh God, I'm sorry. Sorry. Oh God. I'm so sorry, Red.
No, it's... Are you okay?
I need a tissue.
I have a handkerchief. Will that work?
Thank you. Thanks. sorry, Ren. I kinda made a mess of your handkerchief.
It's fine. Keep it.
I'll wash it and give it back to you, I promise. I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened. I don't usually have this strong of a reaction to dust. Oh, this is humiliating.
Whatever. It's fine. Look, how about let me take you to get tea or something, okay? We can talk about the Starfelt chalice there.
What?
Come on. This is a limited time offer.
Oh, okay. I'm coming.